Hello everyone, welcome to Chaudhary Data World channel. Today I am here with a new video on this manage columns options. So today we will be seeing the functionality of these two columns, choose column and remove column. Both these buttons we will be seeing the functionality. Till now we have covered up all these things, new query, data sources, parameters and query. So do check out those videos, and in upcoming videos we will be explaining how these buttons work and what are these functionality. So stay tuned with the channel. So now let's get started with this manage columns. So when we click on the choose column, we get two options: choose column, go to column. And in another remove columns, we are having remove column and then remove other columns. So let's explore both all those four things. So when we click on this choose column, suppose we click on choose column. So you can see that it is giving option, these four options for this particular dataset, that is TVL SQL demo. So if we suppose select one of those columns, uh, let's suppose order ID only I'm selecting. So what it will do, or order ID and order date. So what it will do, it will keep those two columns, and then it and rest of the columns will be discarded from the dataset. So you can see here that order ID and order date it is there, and other of the columns are removed. So this is the functionality of this particular button. And then after that, if we move to go to column, so what it will do is, if suppose order ID I'm clicking over it and then I'm clicking OK, then it will something like that, that suppose it is a very useful option given into Power Query Editor, that suppose we are having multiple columns into our data set, and if we want not to scroll up at the end, as the data set may be having many number of columns like 20 to 25, or some more and some data set even more having more than that. So how we will navigate to that particular column without having that much scroll, or without physical effort? So on a click we want to go, then we will click on go to column, and then here we are having search option. If suppose ship date, if it is here, so you can you can definitely see that if we click write on ship, it is showing us ship date and ship mode. Further, if we will write, it will filter out that particular column only, and if we will click on this and then we will click OK, it will navigate to that particular column. So it will be very the navigation will become very easy to for that particular data set. So that the basic functionality. And then in remove column, we are having this remove column and remove other column. Suppose if we want to remove ship date and we click on remove columns, so you can see that that particular ship date is not no more with us, and it has been removed from this particular data set. Let's revert it back, and then we will see the other option, that is remove other columns. So what does it mean is that if when we want to keep only single column, or if we want to keep only two columns, suppose order date and ship date, suppose if we want to keep, and rest of the columns in the data set we want to remove those, so then we will click on remove other columns. If we will click on those, you can see that order date and ship date, both the things are here with us, and rest of the things which were not selected, it has been deleted. That means whatever you will select, whatever column it is getting selected and then it is getting clicked, those particular columns will be with us, and rest of the other columns it will be discarded. So basically reverse these, the functionality of both these columns are reversible, means it is directly opposite to each other. Remove column will keep only those column, it will just keep that particular column, it will basically it will delete that particular column which is selected at that particular moment. And if we click on remove other column, it will keep that particular column only, and it will delete rest of the other columns. So that was basically the functionality of this choose column and remove column. So we are done with this manage columns as well. For other functionalities, stay tuned to the channel. Thanks for watching the video. Give like if you find this video insightful, and if it helps in your project, do like to the video and then subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much again for watching the videos.